Welcome to the video. Building the vent hood cover here. This is an older video. I'm just kind of resurfacing it. I lost the original audio. But anyway, you can see I've got everything framed up with just 1x2s and pocket holes. And I put a premium pine or select pine 1x6 on the bottom. And then the customer wanted it covered in shiplap. So that's what I'm doing here. If you saw where I had that string a minute ago, instead of trying to figure out the angles, I just ran a piece of string from the bottom corner to that intersecting corner in the middle there and just marked my boards and cut them out that way. I'm installing the shiplap with 18 gauge brad nails. I believe I was using 1.25 inches, but it doesn't really matter how long they are. You're just nailing into the top hidden tongue of the shiplap, which is 1/4 inch, maybe 3/8 of an inch thick. So anything beyond that is just shooting into your framing. Getting the sides wrapped up right here, and I don't show here is sanding the edges and putting another coat of paint on the shiplap. It's already primed white. The customer wanted it white, so that works out well. Right here I'm putting a little bit of Danish oil and then lacquer, which will protect the wood from any grease fumes and make it easier to clean. So let me know what you think.